Hey guys, what's up? I didn't even plan to upload this video because the whole process of recording it was shit. Basically, the microphone for my talking wasn't recording my voice, so it's camera audio now, and also on top of that, the amplifier broke while recording the video. And I wasn't that happy with how the mic sound turned out. It was just an all-around mess, this whole video. But people told me to upload the video anyway, so here it is.
Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Today I'm excited because I came across a bunch of old Dimebag gear. Well, not his personal stuff, but what he used back in the day of like Cowboys from Hell, and he also used this rig for the great sound of Trendkill. And I'm gonna try it out today. Finally, actually, because I've been this amplifier was broken when I got it, so I had to take it to an amp tech to fix it. And now today, when I was going to try everything out, I figured I would put a Dimebucker into this guitar. And I thought I could, but then when I installed it, I broke off one of the ears of this pickup, which is made of plastic. So that pisses me off, since I wanted to try this one. And my 3S guitar that I have here that has a Bill Lawrence US pickup. So instead of the Dimebag with the Dimebucker in it, I'm going to use this Ibanez that has a Dimebucker in it, which is sacrilege, I know, but for the video, at least it has a Dimebucker in it, okay? So I'm going to try these two different guitars, and we'll just see how close I can come to Dimebag's sound and using his settings that I found on the internet. First of all, in the chain is this MXR 6-band graphic equalizer set in a inverted V kind of setting just to boost the mids, and then this goes straight into this Furman PQ4 equalizer. And basically what Dimebag was doing, he was shaping the sound of his guitar before it went to the amplifier. And this amplifier is a Randall RG100HT, and he used this rig on Cowboys from Hell and on the great Southern Trendkill album. And also between the Furman PQ4 and the amplifier, I'm using a Mike Fortin Soul noise gate because this setup is very noisy. And one thing I'm missing in this is the doubler that Dimebag was using in the loop of the amplifier, just to give a more like a chorus or a doubling sound effect to his tone. I'm using my Hesu 2x12 with Demon speakers in it. And yeah, let's just go, I guess. Let's start with the Bill Lawrence pickup and just see how it sounds. This is my Dime US 3ST, looks like this. This is Domination on there, pretty cool, huh? Yes, if you're asking, the Bill Lawrence is flipped, so it's backwards, and that's what Dimebag used to do with his Bill Lawrence pickups. So yeah, it sounds pretty good. It's a lot of bass. I can't. Okay, let me select this. neighbors. They're not gonna like me after this day. Alright, let me try out the Dimebucker pickup and see how that sounds. Okay, just pretend that this is a nice looking Dimebag ML shaped guitar, okay? Has a little bit more bite to it compared to the Bill Lawrence pickup that I have in this guitar. It sounds cool, but I'm not sure it sounds like Dimebag. Obviously, Dimebag's tone and hands is definitely a very big playing factor in his tone and his sound. But yeah, I mean, it sounds cool. But I think I preferred the Bill Lawrence pickup more than the Seymour Duncan Dimebucker. So just for the fun of it, let's try my Solar guitar with a different pickup. So this is a Solar A 2.6 with a Duncan Solar pickup, and yeah, let's just see. Pickup is an all-nickel pickup, so it differs a lot more than the Dimebucker and the Bill Lawrence. This is a little more dull sounding in the sense that doesn't have as much high end. So if I would use this pickup, it would probably set this a little bit different. And I closed my eyes. What happened now? I'm not sure what happened now. Did I sneeze that hard so the amp broke? Oh, this is up. This was the exact same type of error that was on the amp when I got it. Now it sounds broken again. Well, I'm happy we got a chance to try it out before the amp broke again. So, yeah, obviously, I thought it sounded pretty cool, but as I said before, obviously, there's just a lot more to Dimebag's tone than just having his exact same gear. I mean, his playing style is what made his tone, in my opinion. But, I mean, it's fun to try this out. And it would be even more awesome if I could find a Randall Centurion 200 and try that one out. That's the amp he used for Far Beyond Driven and Vulgar Display of Power. So if you have one, send it to me, okay? That would be awesome. Yeah, that's Dimebag's tone, all right. See you next time. Awesome video. Wow, that went well. Awesome.